In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Figma easily and efficiently. If you're new to Figma or simply looking to polish your design skills, this guide will help you navigate through text editing step by step. Let's dive right in and start creating something amazing together. To begin, head over to Figma's website. Figma is an outstanding collaborative interface design tool that's popular among designers for its user-friendly features and flexibility. Once you're on the Figma homepage, you'll see an option to log in at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on Log In. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to sign up. It only takes a couple of minutes and is absolutely worth it. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Figma home interface. The homepage is where you can access all your past projects, collaborate with others, and start new designs. It's a good habit to organize your projects here so you can quickly jump back into them whenever you need. Next, you'll want to select the Design tab from the menu. This is the heart of your workspace where all the magic happens. The Design tab allows you to view and edit your projects in detail. Here you'll find the tools and options essential for bringing your design ideas to life. Now let's focus on text editing within your project. On the design interface, locate the text tool. It's typically represented by a T icon on the toolbar. Click on this icon to activate the text tool. This function is crucial for adding any textual elements to your designs, such as titles, labels, or paragraphs, and offers you different ways to customize text. Once you've clicked on the text tool, you can either click anywhere on your artboard to create a text box, or click and drag to define the dimensions of your text region. After establishing your text area, you can start typing immediately. Whether you're jotting down a prototype's headline or inputting detailed body copy, Figma's text tool helps ensure your content fits perfectly within your design. Beyond basic text entry, Figma offers a wealth of formatting options you can explore. You can adjust the text properties to suit your design needs, whether you want to modify the font style, size, weight, or color. Utilizing these formatting tools can enhance the appearance of your text, ensuring it visually complements your overall design. That's it for getting started with text editing in Figma. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different text styles and layouts until you're satisfied with the result. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial helps you in your design journey and enhances your ability to create stunning projects.